In this Leadler review, I'm going to be showing you a low price, one-time fee autoresponder that will let you add leads to your email list in one click. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Leadler, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. The last thing before we jump in here, I've got all these different bonuses on my bonus page here for you. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, finally cracked, brand new Aweber Killer lets you send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers for a low one-time fee. You can get it for a very low one-time price here with this software. You can send unlimited emails. It's a software that's one-time. You can add people to your email list with this like one-click thing there. You can have it like they authorize to like Twitter or Facebook, and they're able to add them, the emails onto their email list here with this software created by email marketers, created by people that don't want to have to be worried about like getting their accounts banned and whatnot. If you're someone that wants to be able to upload your emails, you can with the software. It's built for marketers here. Send unlimited emails, SMS text, and social media messages. Enjoy no costly ongoing monthly subscriptions. Build your list with one-click opt-ins. 100% get 100% verified email addresses instantly. All these different things here, and it's can spam compliant as well. As I say, there's two options here. You can get the one here that is the $17 one here, or you can get the bundle here. Now, here's the deal with the bundle. The bundle gives you all the different OTOs here. So you get the pro version, the done for you, the enterprise, the done for you setup here, the Fortune 500 profit, the golden membership, and the reseller rights for a one-time of $247. Normally it would cost you $580, but you get a big discount if you purchase it right here. So that's the sales page here. What I'm going to do now is play you a quick little video, and then I'll be back to show you the back-end area, the OTOs, and the discounts.
Email marketing is the best way to land huge profits again and again. Did you know that on average people check their email 15 times a day? And that there are 4 billion email users every single day? Email marketing is gigantic, and it's set to keep growing, with the email marketing industry set to be worth over $22 billion by 2024. $22 billion! So with so much money to make and so many people to email, the time to become an email marketing master is now. But what if you don't have the knowledge or experience to succeed at email? What if you don't have a list of high-converting, top-quality emails? Don't worry, Leadler has you covered. Leadler is the ultimate tool in email marketing, letting you send unlimited emails as many times as you like, helping you instantly send thousands of emails straight to your subscribers' inbox. And if you don't have the leads, Leadler even helps you build top-quality lists with just one click. So with Leadler, you're only ever one click away from your next sale. Leadler lets subscribers opt in instantly with just one click. And because we use their social media email, you're guaranteed to reach their inbox every time. You can send unlimited emails, SMS texts, and social media messages. And Leadler makes sure that you always stay CAN spam and GDPR compliant. So you don't need to worry about hefty fines or warnings. With instant opt-in and easy-to-use drag-and-drop design and a wide range of stunning templates, Leadler has everything you need to become an email marketing master. Work from anywhere in the world using your mobile device or laptop and grab your share of the $22 billion fortune. Claim your instant access now and get started today. Leadler helps you build high-converting, top-quality email lists to let you email your lists unlimited times with just one click. With Leadler, you're covered with a 365-day money-back guarantee. So your route to email marketing mastery is completely risk-free. And for a limited time, we're offering you an incredibly low one-time fee that gives you lifetime access to Leadler. So you can send email after email and build highly profitable list after highly profitable list as your fortune grows and grows. And that's not all. When you reward yourself with the power of Leadler, we'll also offer you an incredible comprehensive sales bundle with an amazing 60% off. You see, by trusting in Leadler to build your fortune, you're clearly a go-getter, an innovator, and someone who wants to be ahead of the crowd. And we want to help you get further ahead. That's why you can also take advantage of this fantastic one-time offer for our comprehensive sales bundle edition for just $247 for a limited time. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your lifetime access to Leadler while you still can, and start claiming your share of the $22 billion fortune today.
So, okay, we're back. Here's the backend area of the software here. Now, there are multiple OTOs here. Again, if you go back to that sales page, you can get this low bundle price here. And if you're going to get the low one, what you want to do is move your mouse away and you get a discount on it. Like I can make less by showing this to you, but I want to make sure you get all the discounts here. Give me a like if you like the fact that I show you the discount. So back over here, you can do the same thing with the Pro version and get a discount, bring it down to 27. This is unlimited leads with this, unlimited emails, unlimited segmentation, extra email templates. The next one here is another actually looks like the same sales page here. Sorry. The next one here is grab our $1 million launch softwares here. So you get these ones, move your mouse away and get a discount on this one. They have the enterprise one. You can move your mouse away and get a $10 discount for an enterprise. It gives you more features with this. This one gives you a bunch of their other products for a low price. Again, you can move your mouse away and get a discount on it. Next one's a done for you add-on. Move your mouse away and get a $15 discount on it. And then they have done for you templates. Again, here, move your mouse away and get this as well. And then the reseller license, you can bring that price down to 57 and resell all of this. Again, you can get the OTOs, you can go through the entire sales funnel and pick and choose, or you can just stay on the sales page and get the entire bundle and save 500 or save 200 and what is it, 250 bucks or 200, it's more than 250 bucks here. A lot of money on this if you're planning on purchasing all the OTO. So it's up to you which ones you want. Grab them and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about Leadler and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, one-time email marketing softwares, I mean, it's not going to be the same as purchasing something like Aweber, GetResponse, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign. It's just not going to be as good as them because those people, they have people paying them monthly. There's an incentive for them to make their softwares better. These one-time softwares, you're going to get what you pay for. What do I like about this? Anyone that's on a budget, anyone that doesn't want to pay monthly, if you're someone that's just starting out with email marketing, you don't have a lot of subscribers yet, you don't want to be paying a monthly fee to these big email service providers, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Leadler, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.